If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on this channel.
Hello, Namaste, potato lovers and fried food fans. This recipe is for you. That's Batata Vada. Batata is a Marathi word that means potato, and vada is a fried ball. So these are chickpea flour coated potato balls. Not regular, but very different and very delicious too. This snack can be enjoyed as is with a cup of tea or can be transformed into vada pav. However you serve it, you're gonna love it.
Please note the ingredients needed to make Batata Vada. List is also given in description below. First of all, in a pan, add in some oil or tel. On medium-high heat, add in chopped onion or pyaz, chopped curry leaves or curry patta. Also add in chopped green chilli or hari mirch. Saute this on medium-high heat only till onions turn translucent. Meanwhile, we have boiled potato or ubla hua aloo, which we need to mash well. When the onions turn translucent, add in mashed potato. Also add in some turmeric or haldi, salt or namak to taste, garam masala, ginger or adrak. Mix, mash and cook this potato mixture on medium-high heat only for about 3-4 minutes. After which, turn off the heat, add in chopped cilantro and dry mango powder or amchur. Mix well and let this mixture cool down. Keep aside. Meanwhile, let's prepare the batter. Here we have chickpea flour or besan. Add in turmeric or haldi, carom seeds or ajwain, red chilli or lal mirch powder to your taste, some salt or namak to your taste, and add in water or pani gradually to it and make a thick, smooth batter. It should be a ribbon-like consistency batter like this. Let's fry the vadas. For that, heat sufficient oil on medium-high heat. Take the cool down potato mixture and make line-size balls. Flatten the ball. Put in the chickpea batter. Take this ball out of the batter and gently drop in hot oil. Similarly, make all the balls, coat them with the batter and drop in hot oil. And fry these balls on medium-high heat only. Do not disturb initially. Flip and fry till they are golden to look at. When done, remove using a slotted spatula and serve with garlic chutney or fried green chilies. These Batata Vada make a nice snack anytime. Recipe of dry garlic chutney and fried green chilies coming soon. You can also make vada pav using these Batata Vadas like this. Slit open a pav or a dinner roll, apply some dry garlic chutney, put one fried green chili and one Batata Vada. An Indian street food vada pav is ready to be enjoyed. So whether you enjoy these Batata Vada as is or make vada pav, this is anytime hit. Enjoy it with your family. Thanks for watching.